Assalamualaikum 10th class. Today we will study about the types of the salts. There are 6 types of the salts which are included: the normal salts, basic salts, mixed salts, acidic salts, double salts and complex salts. First of all, we will study the normal salt. A salt formed by the total replacement of ionizable H-positive ions of an acid by a positive metal ion or the ammonium ion is called the normal or the neutral salt. Let's take an example of the normal salt. When hydrochloric acid reacts with potassium hydroxide, which is a strong base, it will react together to form the KCl, potassium chloride, plus H2O, water. So in this reaction there is complete replacement of ionizable hydrogen ions. This hydrogen ions is completely replaced into the water. The next one are the acidic salts. These salts are formed by partial replacement of replaceable H-positive ion of an acid by a positive metal. So in the reaction, sulfuric acid reacts with potassium hydroxide to form potassium bisulfate or potassium hydrogen sulfate plus water. If you see in this reaction, there is incomplete or the partial replacement of H-positive ions. H is present here. If this were the complete ionization of the replacement of H-positive ion, then there is no H-positive ion. The next type is of the basic salts. Basic salts are formed by the incomplete neutralization of polyhydroxy base by an acid. We will take the reaction of zinc hydroxynitrate with nitric acid. Zinc hydroxynitrate reacts with nitric acid and it will form the zinc nitrate with the replacement with water. So if you see here, there is the partial replacement of or incomplete neutralization of polyhydroxy base. The next type is double salts. Double salts are formed by two normal salts when they are crystallized form a mixture of the equimolar saturated solutions. If we take the example of potash alum, the formula of potash alum is K2SO4 dot Al2 SO4 whole thrice with 24 molecules of water. If you see, this whole double salt is the combination of the two salts. One is potassium sulfate while the other one is aluminium sulfate. So both of them combine together to form the potash alum. Okay, now the next example is mixed salts. Mixed salts are formed by or they contain more than one basic or acidic radical. Suppose we will take the example of bleaching powder. The formula of the bleaching powder is CaOCl Cl. So if you see here, there is more than one acidic radical. Therefore, it comes in the category of the acidic salts, mixed salts. Okay, the next and the last type of the salts is complex salts. Complex salts on dissociation provides a simple cation and a complex anion. Only the simple ion yield the characteristics test for the cation or the anion. Suppose we will take the example of potassium ferrocyanide. The formula of the potassium ferrocyanide is K4 FeCN whole 6. In this formula, K4 positive is basic radical or cation, while the ferrocyanide FeCN whole 6 negative is the acidic radical or anion. In this example, the cation is simple cation, while the anion is a complex anion. So that's all about the types of salts.